सो फाइनली गाइस हम पहुंच चुके हैं भारत मोबिलिटी 2025। आज मोटर शो भी है। सो हमारा पहला
पवेलियन
इज टाटा मोटर्स एंड पूरा हॉल बुक कर रखा है टाटा ने, लाइक पूरा
पवेलियन उन्हीं का ही है।
सो लेट्स कम ऑन, लेट्स गो।
तो
हमारा पवेलियन आ चुका है।
पवेलियन हमारा है टाटा मोटर्स का, और ये स्टार्ट होता है और विद ऑल द कमर्शियल व्हीकल्स लाइक ट्रक्स।
सो
आप ये देख सकते हैं टाटा मोटर्स ट्रक्स का लाइनअप।
नहीं ये होते रहते हैं गाइस।
तो कहाँ चलना है अब शुभम? ट्रक्स तो देख लिया।
अरे अभी एक वैसे इस बार का हाईलाइट इज टाटा सिएरा एंड अविनिया, वो दोनों दिखते हैं। कम ऑन कैमरामैन फास्ट।
ये आपका टाटा का न्यू स्टेल्थ एडिशन
cool.
ब्लैक पेंट एंड थोड़ा सा ऑफ रोडिंग एंड हेवी टच दिया है गाड़ी को।
But this is the
आप राइट में देख
black
सकते हैं,
stealth edition.
राइट बम्पर क्लैडिंग्स देख, they have tried to give it a new
But
heavy
that is
look.
an EV, right?
हाँ, that's EV, but this over here also front cladding देखना, फ्रंट क्लैडिंग देखो, वो भी काफी हैवी है।
Okay, so this is Sierra, by Tata. The new one is in yellow, and the generation one is white is generation one.
या जो सबका ड्रीम कार होती
ड्रीम
थी,
कार होता था एक टाइम पे,
एंड
but
वाइट वाला। और थोड़ा सा हेवी लुक दिया है टाटा ने इस गाड़ी को भी, फ्रंट से DRLs एंड ऑल भी। लेकिन द बेस्ट पार्ट इज द न्यू व्हीकल डजंट हैव द कंप्लीट ग्लास ओवर इट। उधर ऊपर मैट का एक फिनिश दिया है पेंट का, या फिर उन्होंने, विच मेक्स इट लुक कि एक पूरा कवर अप ग्लास है,
but it's not glass.
इट्स नॉट ग्लास एक्चुअली।
Cost cutting Tata.
कॉस्ट कटिंग करना पड़ता है भाई, इंडियन मार्केट के लिए तो करना है। तो और इट विल बी अवेलेबल इन EV, पेट्रोल एंड डीजल एज वेल। तो अब हम बात करते हैं
Tata Sierra के बाद it's about Tiago.
Tiago, the hatchback. So they have basically facelifted the car. आपको नीचे ग्रिल चेंज मिलेगा, DRL मिलेंगे, and some new colors have come out. This is more like a teal blue color than this
Lemon yellow.
lemon yellow.
But yeah, it looks good. This color I like it.
हाँ,
The
ये
EV
कलर अच्छा है।
Probably with updated interiors, I believe.
Interior has been updated. आपका infotainment system has been updated. आपका steering wheel has been updated. Tiago में one of the most
Basically,
economical car
basically,
for Indian market.
yeah, Indica का बड़ा भाई है ये.
हाँ, वो अलग बात है। Nexon is Nexon is the car which was based on the Indica platform.
हाँ,
ये उसका छोटा बेबी वर्जन,
छोटा बेबी वर्जन है, yes.
एंड सब मुझे ये कलर बहुत अच्छा लगा है।
Teal blue.
टील ब्लू बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है।
So this was Tata Pavilion, and next is hall number 2, जहाँ पे we have Honda, and what we have Centrium, और एक और कोई ब्रांड है।
कहाँ पे?
Hall number 2.
चलो
Let's go. So this is hall number 2. यहाँ पे 3 कंपनीज मिलेंगी हमें। पहली है MG, दूसरी है Honda, तीसरी है Centrium. Let's check out. Come on.
होंडा में आया है शुभम।
So Honda में हमारे पास
इस बार ही लेके आई है होंडा। मैं CB देख
CB300F है,
हाँ
and I guess 500X का फेसलिफ्ट भी है,
ओके।
and Honda की इलेक्ट्रिक, सॉरी एक्टिवा की इलेक्ट्रिक भी है।
चलो
Honda की electric,
देख के आते हैं।
एक्टिवा की इलेक्ट्रिक भी है। So this is EGX कार्ड। ये बेसिकली रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए होंडा ने लॉन्च किया है, एंड लॉन्च का मतलब इफ यू वांट इट यू कैन बाय इट, एल्स basically they're demonstrating about the batteries and battery technology जो Honda लेके आ रहा है and उसी के आधारित पे एक गो-कार्ट दिया है Honda Activa जो हमारी बहुत ही नोन व्हीकल है इंडिया में जो रफ एंड टफ यूज उसकी इलेक्ट्रिक वेरिएंट है ये
इलेक्ट्रिक वर्जन।
तो
क्या पावर आउटपुट या रेंज हमको मिल रहा है?
तो पावर आउटपुट रेंज के लिए मैं आपको वहाँ पे डिस्प्ले करा दूंगा
ठीक है।
बस ये मेरे लिए बहुत नया है और क्योंकि मैं वॉशिंग मशीन फॉलो नहीं करता आइडिया नहीं है जस्ट किडिंग गाइस जस्ट किडिंग सो कम्स विद 2 बैटरी पैक्स एक्चुअली
तो इसके पावर बैटरी का ये भी है ना कि आप निकाल के एक जगह पे डाल सकते हैं।
You can swap the batteries. Honda has given you the technology to do that. Yes. So, if you can see, like the सारे specifications हैं, and there is like 2 battery packs, या फिर because there are 2 variants which they are offering.
Okay.
So, एक में feature obviously ज़्यादा है, एक में feature कम है, and features like your topple alert and maintenance alert and navigation and ये सब आपको higher variant में मिलेगा, which is
Does it have Ather की तरह reverse and all? वो भी होगा इसमें?
Maybe they शायद they have added. I have no clue like that. But okay. Yes, they have riding modes also. So कुछ छोटे-मोटे riding modes भी हैं. More on that in the review part obviously. तो आगे चल के हम review करेंगे इस बाइक को, इस स्कूटी को.
स्कूटी का भी review करेंगे.
So we'll let you know more about this and more features about it. कि बने रहो आगे CB है, CB300. Let's go. So this is Honda CB300F. इसके बारे में जो बताऊं कि ये फ्लेक्स फ्यूल टेक्नोलॉजी पे बेस्ड है विच इज़ बेसिकली योर एथेनॉल मिक्स और इन विच इट इज़ एक्चुअली प्रोड्यूसिंग समवेयर अराउंड 18.3 किलोवाट पावर सो ये एक्चुअली पेट्रोल प्योर पेट्रोल में आती थी पहले अब नहीं आ रही है
अब एथेनॉल बेस हो गया
एथेनॉल बेस फ्यूल हो गया
E20 होगा ना
E20 yes so if I can show you the
it's E85
25 न्यूटन मीटर टॉर्क का मतलब obviously पावर ड्रॉप है 300 सीसी के इंजन के हिसाब से
it's E85 also no not even E20 तो पावर ड्रॉप हमारे को मिलेगा ही मिलेगा
yes obviously
because it's 85% ethanol and rest is
but it is a fuel injected system so direct injection है तो one good thing no carburetor issues बाकी air cooled engine which I was not expecting from a 300 cc class
engine
so yes oil cooled to be precise yes so that was CB300F and let's move on इस साल दिया है हमें दिया है all new
it's only a facelift
basically facelift ही है mechanically ज़्यादा changes नहीं है but if you can see इसमें headlight DRLs bumper और tail light की थोड़ी changes है और थोड़ा सा heavy
look दिया है
they have made it little more bolder muscular बनाने का try किया है here we are at Skodano and अभी यहाँ पे एक VRS सॉरी क्या Octavia RS Octavia RS जो कमबैक हो रही है इंडिया में with Superb as well Kodiaq Kailak and बहुत सारी cars भी है let's go check it out come on
भाई Kodiaq बिल्कुल ही it's the अपना second generation Kodiaq
so what are we getting in second gen
so basically it's a full revamp and engine options are also a lot you are getting 1.5 liter ka 4 cylinder mild hybrid then you're getting 1.5 liter plug-in hybrid
okay
and then diesel maybe you have two engine options which are 1.5 liter ka and 2 liter diesel
oh nice we have good options
TDI
power train और drive train में क्या हमारे पास है do we have a TSI or sorry do we have a DSG gearbox
yeah DSG
gearbox finally कुछ चीज निकाली नहीं स्क्वाड ने also are we getting is it feature loaded with all those bells and whistles
yeah it's feature loaded
like ADAS
you can see the radar over here also
radar and we have
the DRLs are different
oh Skoda crystal lighting
क्रिस्टल लाइटिंग्स भी हैं
सब लिखने लग गए
हाँ
BMW लिखता है ऑडी मैट्रिक्स लाइटिंग लिखता है
मैट्रिक्स लिखता है ऑडी
दिस इज
हियर वी आर
इसकी लेगेसी गोस बैक टू
RS
या लेगेसी बहुत पुरानी है 245 हॉर्स पावर पहले आती थी
नाउ इट्स 2 liter 265 bhp
265 bhp
हाँ
भाई this is something I want to drive right away
it's a
but yes obviously चलाना तो है ही, but let's see what we can do. हमें मिलेगी कि नहीं, but I'll surely try for this car. But yes.
But the amount of torque you are getting is very good. 370 Newton meter of torque.
17.
70, bro.
Dude, it's bullet.
It will pull like a
Bullet
oh, you God
out of
knows.
the
You
muzzle.
will be pulled to your seat. That's for sure.
I love this.
And it's mated with a 7-speed DCT.
But obviously, how much? Sorry, I didn't.
7-speed DCT.
Oh my God! Dude. Quick engine, quick
gearbox. Everything.
Have fun. I don't have words for
ये
this car.
उनके लिए है those who are completely speed enthusiasts like
Obviously.
us.
Yes. We need to get our hands
Like-
on this.
So we are right now at
Now
Bajaj.
we are in Bajaj. तो ये बजाज फ्रीडम एंड इसकी फर्स्ट खासियत ये है कि ये सीएनजी टैंक के साथ आती है। इंडिया की फर्स्ट बाइक थी जिसमें सीएनजी आ रहा है, एंड आज एक दूसरी स्कूटर भी है जिसमें सीएनजी है, दैट इज टीवीएस जुपिटर। उस पे हम जाएंगे थोड़ी देर में, बट
तो इसका थोड़ा स्पेक्स बताओ, क्या मतलब इन्होंने आपसे एक रिव्यू भी लिया अभी इन्होंने, हमारे को भी बताओ।
सो जो कहते हैं कि पेट्रोल स्टेशन पे आप जाके पेट्रोल भराते हो, लेट्स से 12 लीटर की टैंक है, आपको 12 लीटर की टैंक भराने में अप्रोक्सीमेटली 6 मिनट से 7 मिनट लगता है, बट दिस कैन फिल फास्टर देन द पेट्रोल टैंक एंड व्हिच इज safer also.
How much?
Comparatively somewhere between like you will save 2 minutes के आसपास, so which is quite fast, but doesn't matter because payment करने में time लग जाता है because digital India, हमारा यूपीआई नहीं चल रहा होता है कहीं।
So वैसे कैसा फीलिंग है बजाज की डोमिनार से 125 फ्रीडम पे?
So
बैठने wise-
डोमिनार 200 किलो की बाइक चलाने में बहुत भारी लगती है, but this is way too light for a bike.
So this is more like a Splendor or a
Splendor हो
Passion.
गई है, but लेकिन नहीं है, this is little having a little tall seat height cause. So this is बस ये है कि इसकी सीट हाइट ज्यादा है, that is because नीचे टैंक ले रखा है and टैंक डायरेक्टली सीट के नीचे है, but Bajaj has said कि this is way safer than anything, crash test भी है, and yes, so this is Bajaj Freedom. So here at Hyundai Pavilion, we found out that the Creta EV has come out from the Hyundai lineup, and कितना horse power? 40?
41
नहीं 42 something
42,
kilowatt hour battery
हाँ.
है, which is
and
well
here
and
I
good.
claim the range is almost 400 kilometers.
400 किलोमीटर की
हाँ.
range, which is somewhere around Ioniq 5 का range. The spirit of automobiles. Yes. So subscriber count बढ़ रहा है. So yes, and for that EV, it's somewhere ranging from let's say 17.99 lakhs, 17.5 lakhs to
More than 20 lakhs.
no 20 lakhs
20
is
lakhs,
ex showroom
20
price obviously,
20
but
lakhs,
yes
20
we have what we have. And,
वैसे वो डिस्प्ले में डाल देंगे हम लोग उसको
Hyundai
नीचे
का
bottom
Hyundai का the only attraction here at Hyundai Pavilion is
was
the Creta EV.
Creta Electric.
So moving on next to my favorite, Mercedes.
Mercedes. So here at the Mercedes Pavilion, the center of attraction is the CLA Concept, which has a 250 kilowatt hour battery, which produces 235 bhp of power and a range of 700 and has a range of 750 kilometers in a single charge. The car comes with 21-inch alloys as well and is expected to be launched in 2026.
We are at the Suzuki Pavilion, and today's highlight is the E Vitara.
So the most awaited car by Maruti, the E Vitara, had been launched, and the car itself will be coming out with a 49 kilowatt hour battery pack and a 60 kilowatt hour battery pack, and is dedicatedly made on an EV platform. So now we are at Suzuki Motorcycles, and this is
GSX 8R.
GSX 8R.
Has about
How does it feel of sitting?
So this is basically little sporty in nature though, but what you can see is the tank is very narrow, so you can have the tank for cornering. But yes, having a 776cc engine do packs a punch, and yes, soon we'll be riding it. I believe India में आ रही है. So yes, बाकी review के time देख लेना. This is the first impressions, and I really do love this bike. So we are at Toyota Pavilion, and यहाँ के दो highlights हैं आज. पहला BEV, which is basically your electric vehicle by Toyota, and second is Camry, the all new Camry, which is launched this year. So हम दोनों check out करेंगे, and come on, let's go inside.
So this is the Toyota BEV, or you can call it the cousin of Grand Vitara. There would be slight changes in the car, like cosmetic changes, like the headlights and all, and it will be coming out with two battery packs, a 49 kilowatt hour and a 60 kilowatt hour, and the car itself would be made in Maruti's Gujarat facility. So let's talk about the new Camry. You get a new hammerhead style design, old interiors like before, and the new 5th gen hybrid technology given to the car, which produces 256 bhp of power. So this is the concept car by Lexus, which is the LFZC, and over here Lexus wants to showcase what the future Lexus sedan cars will be, and this car is an EV. And one of the special things which Lexus is saying that it's not going to be an ordinary EV, and the battery packs on these cars can give a range of around 1000 kilometers.
We are here at the Hero Pavilion, and today's highlight is the X-Pulse 210, which you see right behind me. So, पिछली बार से इसमें चेंज ज़्यादा कुछ mechanically तो नहीं मिलेगा, like of course the engine obviously, but design wise में इसमें LED headlamps और ये सारी चीज़ें add होंगी, and this is what all we have. So, other than that, we have Extreme 250R also with us.
So now over here we are at the BMW Pavilion. You can see all the bikes over here, the 1300 RGS, then the other bikes in lineup, the 310, the GS 310, RR 310, and the M Sport cars, M4, M2, and the M5. So here we are at the Porsche Pavilion, the Macan, you can see, which produces 635 bhp at 1100 Newton meters of torque. So here's the other star of the Porsche lineup, the Taycan, which has 885 horsepower at 890 Newton meters of torque. Here we have the familiar face, the 911 GT3 RS, the track king, the race king. So now we are at TVS, and we will be seeing the racing DNA unleashed by them, and some racing bikes or track bikes which they have designed till now. And this is the electric bike RTE Apache TVS Racing. Then we come to some concepts made by them on Ronin. These are some cafe racer style concepts made. Then we push towards the Norton V4 CR, which they had also shown previously in Bharat Mobility Expo 24. and this is the Norton V4 SV with the fairing bike. We ourselves don't know if these bikes will be coming to India or not. So here we are at the Mahindra Pavilion, and this is the XEV 9e. It comes with a 59 kilowatt hour battery and a 79 kilowatt hour battery. And here is the Mahindra BE6, which also comes with a 59 kilowatt hour battery and a 79 kilowatt hour battery, and is a rear wheel drive. And here we are at VinFast, the Vietnamese brand, which will be launching all electric SUVs VF6 and VF7, and they will be made in Chennai plant. Good. A lot of new brands and especially VinFast, Vietnamese brand. It's going to launch all the EV cars. So I'm looking forward to that because it will be competing with the variants which they are coming out with. They will be competing with Tata, BYD, and all the other electric competitors. So it was quite good.
Yes, about that, I'm very disappointed with TVS. Yes, they just hide the most anticipated bike of the year. I was looking forward to, have a feel and look of the bike, the RTX 310. But yes, it's okay. We have the 310 launch in the next 2 months, and also we'll get a test drive for that. TVS, please call us.
But the most disappointing or the bad type of
the most bad experience of this Auto Expo was MG. We expected
we never expected something like this from a brand like
MG actually.
Such a big brand.
We were there to showcase their product. We were there to showcase their new vehicles, but unfortunately they turned us down. So this was very demeaning for us that MG denied us like that. But yes, a little disrespectful. So MG, please do that next time.
To anyone.
Yeah, to anyone. We are just growing brand. We are just growing people, growing YouTube channel. So it will take time.
But overall,
you were bankrupt once.
Seriously, it wasn't once. It was
Thrice.
a lot of times.
Okay, so fine. This was jokes apart, guys. This was Bharat Mobility Global Expo, the Motor Show 2025. Hope you like it. Do like, share, and subscribe to our videos. And for such more contents and reviews, keep watching. Bye.